Hi guys, this is Vasu and you're watching Techno. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to create an YouTube channel and start earning. Guys, YouTube is the greatest platform for any individual to create a career online. Creating an YouTube account is actually free and involves only few simple steps. Okay guys, before we jump right into the video, click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell notification to get notifications of my YouTube uploads. Okay guys, the first step in creating a YouTube channel is to create a Gmail account. I guess everyone will be having a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, don't worry, I'll show you how to create and it's easy and absolutely free. Now go to google.com and type gmail.signup. And click on this site. Now you will be redirected to this page. Before you fill up these details, choose a suitable name for your YouTube channel. The name which you choose should be short and simple. Don't add numbers in the name of your YouTube channel because it becomes difficult for someone to find your channel. Okay, I'm gonna fill up these details for the YouTube channel which I'll create now. Okay, I'm gonna choose a YouTube name, something like subscribe please. In the first box, add your first name. And in the second box, add your second name. Okay, now create a Gmail ID by typing in this box. Okay, my Gmail ID will look something like this. Now create a password by mixing various letters and numbers so that your account will be protected. Okay, now click on next. Now the page will be redirected. Now what you have to do is add your mobile number over here and Google will send you a code or an OTP to verify it's you. Okay, now click on done. What you have to do is add your mobile number over here and Google will send you a code or an OTP to verify it's you. Now type the code. The first step in creating the YouTube channel is done. And guys, don't log out of your Gmail account. Now simply open a Google page. Type YouTube. Now you can see a sign in option right here. Click on this. Now you will be logged into YouTube. The next step is to click on this icon right here and it will take you to a Creator Studio page. Now you can see an option called Create an YouTube channel. So click on this option. Now your YouTube channel has been successfully created. Click on this option right here. Now if you want to upload a custom photo onto a YouTube profile, go to the Gmail account. Click on this option right here. Now you can see there's an option called as click on change photo. Now drag your photo and drop it here, or you can search it on your desktop files. Now I'm going to select my photo. Click on done. Now you have successfully added your YouTube profile picture. Click on done. If you can't see your photo right here, don't worry. It may take few hours to pop up. Now I'll upload a sample video for you. Click on the video manager and you will find an upload symbol right here. Now the video has been uploading. It may take longer duration if the video is lengthy. Meanwhile, fill in your title, description and tags. And guys, don't try to spam your description. After you finish uploading the video, you will find something like this. This is nothing but YouTube is processing your video to find whether you are using any kind of copyrighted content. Now click here. Now click here to change to public and click on save changes. Now your video is online and ready to get millions of views and a ton of money. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please drop a like on this video if this video has helped you in any way. And guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to tap on that bell icon. See you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.